Dear students, how are you? Hope you all are okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am K.M. Jakaria Alom, your teacher, Police Science School and College, Bogura. Today I am going to take another online class for 9 subject English second paper. The topic of teaching today is transformation of sentence or changing sentence, which is the most important topic for you in English second paper. Dear students, there are many rules for changing sentence or transformation. Some sentence will be negative without changing meaning, such as man is mortal, make it negative without meaning, man is not or man isn't immortal. Water is liquid, water is not solid. But at the time of making interrogative, please look at the board. There are some rules are already written on the board. Assertive will be interrogative. Assertive is of two kinds of sentence, or assertive is of two types of sentence. One is affirmative and another is negative. Any affirmative sentence will be interrogative with negative form, and any negative sentence will be interrogative with affirmative form. That means statement in affirmative answer will be negative plus interrogative. Statement in negative answer will be affirmative plus interrogative. Please look at the board and follow the examples carefully. Health, here health is wealth. This is an example. Make it interrogative. As health is wealth is affirmative, so your answer will be negative interrogative. Isn't health wealth? Always remember, not will be contracted from. That is short from not is necessary to make interrogative. Number 2, Ria reads a book, make it interrogative. Here Ria reads, Ria third person singular, so S has been added with verbs. When subject will be third person, S or yes will be added with the verb. So your answer will be doesn't. Doesn't Ria read a book? Dear students, always remember, after doesn't, no yes or yes will be added at the end of verb. Please follow the example 3. Shanta lost her bag, make it interrogative. Here lost is the past form of verb. So to make interrogative, didn't is necessary here. Didn't Shanta lose her bag? After didn't, verb has become present loss. Here loss is the form of present indefinite. Sometimes answer in the negative. Question: whenever any sentence will be negative, your answer will be affirmative but interrogative. Such as Othoi can't do this. This is the negative example, but at the time of making interrogative, as the sentence is negative, answer will be affirmative. Can author do the work? Here not has become out of the sentence. Dear students, now follow exclamatory to assertive. How is it possible for you to make assertive from exclamatory? How, what, both words are necessary to make exclamatory sentence, and signal or mark of exclamation will be mentioned in the exclamatory sentence, such as how sweet the mango is. This is the mark of exclamatory sentence. Assertive will be very, very much, great, etc. That means how or what will be out of the sentence to make assertive by using very, very much, great. Any word may use to make assertive sentence. How sweet the sweet mango is, make it assertive. Here, the mango is very sweet. That means how will be out by using very. Example 2. What a nice bird it is, make it assertive. Here, it is. It is a very nice bird. That means what will be out by using very. I am going to discuss another sentence. If, whenever any exclamatory sentence will be composed by using if, you will use I wish for making assertive, such as if I were a wristband. If I were a wristband, this is the example of exclamatory sentence. It will be assertive. If will be out by using I wish to make assertive. I wish I were a wristband. Sentence will always be assertive. That means we know that if will be out by using I wish to make assertive. Would that, whenever you will get would that in the exclamatory sentence, you must use I wish to omit would that to make assertive. Would that I could be a child again. As would that is present in the exclamatory sentence, so I wish is necessary to make assertive. I wish I could be a child again. Had I the wings of a bird. This is the example of exclamatory. Make it assertive. ASST is the shorter form of assertive. Had will be out by using I wish. After I wish, had will be I had. Had the wings of a bird. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Dear students, please follow the next rules. There are three kinds of sentences in formation. That means Gothan. According to construction, sentences are of three kinds, such as simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Simple. This is the structure. V means verb. Whenever you will get subject verb with ing, that means present participle, that sentence will be simple sentence. V plus ing equal to simple sentence. At the time of making complex, when or as, anyone may use to make complex. And any word will be the starting word. Going to school, we learn many things. Here, going is the symbol of simple sentence. To make complex, when is necessary. When or as, any word may use as you like best. When subject will come. When we, here subject is we. So, your subject will be we. When we go to school, we learn many things. Here subject is present in the sentence. So we has come first to make meaningful sentence. When we or as we go to school, we learn many things. Compound. To make compound and is necessary. When will never be used. Like we go to school and learn many things. Always remember, after that, the same word will same subject will never be used. Like we go to school and learn many things. Example 2, simple. Seeing the accident, he got fair. Here, sing is the symbol of simple sentence. So, to make complex, when or as. Any word may use here to make complex. When subject will come after when. Here, he is present as the subject of this sentence. So, he is used after when. When he as the verb of got. As the second verb is past, so sing has become past. When he saw the accident, he got fair. To make compound, he saw the accident and got fair. I have told before you to understand after the and, the same word will never be used. He saw the accident and got fair. Next, please follow the another rules. Simple, in spite of, despite. Its Bengali meaning সত্ত্বেও. To make complex, though, although. Any word may use here to make complex. And compound, but is necessary. Please follow the example. In spite of being healthy, he is lazy. Here, in spite of is the symbol to make a comparative simple sentence. In spite of being healthy, he is lazy. To make complex, in spite of will be out by using though or although. Anyone may use to make complex. Though he is healthy, he is lazy. You may use although in lieu of though. That means although he is healthy, he is lazy. Though or although, there is no difference to use. Both words are the same in meaning. To make complex, only one word will be used. But at the time of making compound, but is necessary. He is healthy but lazy. Please follow here healthy. He is healthy but lazy. After but, the same word which are used before but will be out after but. So please look at the example. He is healthy but lazy. Another rule I am teaching you and discussing you about the another rule. Simple. After possessive V plus ing. V means the shorter form of verb. At the time of making complex, when or as, any word may use to make complex in just simple sentence. Compound and so and subject second will be plus after and so. Please follow the board. Simple. After my reaching the station, the train left. Here after is preposition, my is possessive. My is possessive of the nominative or subject I. To make complex, when is necessary or as. Anyone may use to make complex when my will be nominative or subject I. His, he, her, she, etc. As the second verb is past, so reaching verb will be past. When I reached the station, the train left. To make compound, I reached the station and so the train left. Always remember, to make compound sentence, just simple sentence will be out to make compound by using and so. And after and so, second subject will be present in the sentence. I hope you have already understood about this. Dear students, please follow the another rules. During, this is the example, symbol or mark of simple sentence. Whenever you will get during in any sentence, you will surely consider those sentences will be simple. That means during is the symbol of simple sentence. To make complex, during will be out by using when it is or when it was. When verb will be present after during when it is necessary to make complex. When verb will be past in the simple sentence when it was is necessary to make complex. Such as during the spring, flowers are found in the nature. Yeah, during is the symbol of simple sentence. So, at the time of making complex, when it is the spring, that means during will be out by using when it is, as are found. This is the present form. So, it is necessary. When it is the spring, flowers are found in the nature. Dear students, I have already discussed about the transformation of sentences or changing sentences. It is an important topic for you in English second paper. This question will be prescribed in the English second paper. Question number changing sentence 10. That means each question is for 1 mark. Out of 10, answer will be 10. There will be no alternative in the question. If you want to do well in the exam, you must learn well. Without practicing yourself, you will never improve your preparation. I hope as you are at home, there are a lot of times at your hand, so practice more and more and try again and again to develop your idea about transformation of sentence or changing sentence. I hope inshallah you'll be ready and prepare yourself well for the better preparation for the exam. Thank you very much.